and open again your gallery. As you can see, now, finally, I can recover my deleted photos and videos from Android phone. Hello brother, please make tutorial how to recover deleted photos and videos. First of all, I want to open my gallery and I want to delete some photos and videos. So I will delete this file. Now the files was missing on my gallery. Next step, close gallery app. And then you need to open Google Chrome. Click search bar and type sentence Google account. And then click our email profile right here. So click manage your Google account. Once open, just click data and privacy. So we need to scroll down until we find photos option. Right here, just click photos. Scroll down again. If there is no photos option, we need to close the Google Chrome. And we need to open Play Store and type on search bar with sentence Google Photos. So this is the application. If the application need an update, so you need to update it first. Next step, just open the app. Once open, just click library and then click trash. So in this page, we can find our previous deleted photos and videos. And to recover the file, so you need to click the file and then click restore. And do the same thing with other files that you want to recover. Next step, just close this app and open again your gallery. As you can see, now, finally, I can recover my deleted photos and videos from Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.